government, national government for doctor strike. I'm happy what he said, health being devolved, he should be saying it on Sundays and in funeral services, Madam Speaker, so that we are fair in this country. I would in fact request him to go. I can facilitate and organize him to do a press conference after this at the media center and tell the nation, even that we are live, Madam Speaker, and tell the nation health is devolved. And teachers, doctors, Madam Speaker, must be told, because, Madam Speaker...
Would you like to be informed by your colleague, Senator Tsotsi?
No, he will misinform and mislead me in equal measure, Madam Speaker. Because what I'm saying, I wish, and I saw the leader of minority in the lower house blaming the president and national government. Yet the coalition members are senators here. They should be informing the likes of Opio and I and the rest of the brigade in the minority side in the lower house that health is devolved. Where is the voice of governors, Madam Speaker? Why is it when we are doing division of revenue for health, governors are very comfortable, they complain and they shout the loudest. But when it comes to strike of health workers, you don't see governors, Madam Speaker. And I'm disappointed by the health committee, and I'm happy Senator Amida Kibwana is here, my very good friend, and I thank her, and alongside Senator Richard Onyonga and many members who attended our breakfast meeting of open governance in the morning at Sarova Stanley, that they should have taken an initiative, Madam Speaker, and even address as a Senate, this is a devolved function. Madam Speaker, and I'm asking the country. Me, I was a pupillage, and with a lot of respect to my pupil master, Madam Sen Cherargei, I was never paid even a penny. But doctors who are interns, who are not yet qualified doctors, are paid 70,000, Madam Speaker. Yet you as a lawyer, senior lawyer in this country, and the SG emeritus of the ruling party, you are never paid as a pupillage. Madam Speaker, if we want to be fair, there is a saying that all animals are equal, but the others who are more equal than the others, Madam Speaker. So if we have to pay interns, doctors, 70,000 or 200,000, we must pay in other professionals, engineers, doctors, even pastors and clergy and priests who are still training to be doctors, Madam Speaker. They must be paid also, so that we are fair in this country, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, and that is why I'm saying, Madam Speaker, in conclusion, I know we are pressed for time. The issue of doctors' strike is a devolved function. In fact, what President is doing is offering a service, is just being a gentleman. But the people who should address the issue of doctors is Council of Governors, Madam Speaker. Why are they cowing and hiding now? But when it comes to sharing, they will say, and that is why, Madam Speaker, some of the people are proposing that health be reversed to the national government, Madam Speaker. And therefore, with those very many remarks, Madam Speaker, I thank you, and I support these comments, Madam Speaker.
Senator Tsotsi.
I rise on standing order number 105 on statement of fact. Madam Speaker, Senator Cherargei,
you know, if it's on Senator Cherargei, he's already retired his arguments and resuming his seat.
I had placed my...
So it's overtaken.
Point of order.